Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Terminator in your kalilinux machine. Terminator is a terminal emulator that allows you to have multiple terminal sessions within one window. Like when you are working with different multiple tools at the same time, like you running in map in one terminal and Metasploit in another, and so on. So it's easy for you to manage things easily and working with different tools fastly. It's popular among Linux users for its feature like splitting terminals into multiple terminals horizontally and vertically, and also you can customize the layouts of your terminals. So let's move toward the installation. Open your default Linux terminal. First you need to update your kalilinux by entering the command sudo apt update. This command will update your kalilinux. The second command is sudo apt get install terminator. By entering this command to install Terminator in your kalilinux machine. After installing Terminator, go and search Terminator in your application menu. When you open your Terminator first time, it's look like this, but you can customize accordingly. Right click on your keyboard and then click on preference, so you can change everything: background image, color, scrolling, and so on. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video.